Imagine this. You're walking down the street and suddenly, poof, all of Earth's oxygen disappears for just 5 seconds. No big deal, right? I mean, 5 seconds. Well, get ready. Those 5 seconds could be the end of you. Let's break it down. Oxygen makes up 21% of the air we breathe. Without it, you wouldn't suffocate instantly, but you'd definitely feel it. People with asthma, panic, Mount Everest level air, everywhere. Your lungs screaming. You can hold your breath, but the earth can't. Now here's where it gets crazy. Concrete and steel are held together by molecules that include oxygen. Remove the oxygen and those materials temporarily weaken. Skyscrapers, bridges, statues, they'd start cracking or collapsing. Boom! No Eiffel Tower, no Golden Gate. Your house? Hope it's not made of concrete. The ozone layer? It's made of O3, three oxygen atoms. Without oxygen, the ozone layer disappears, and that means we're instantly exposed to deadly UV rays from the sun. Sunburn in milliseconds. Unless you've got SPF 9000. And no, that's not real. Just imagine needing sunscreen strong enough to block a laser. Planes flying overhead? They rely on oxygen for engine combustion. No oxygen equals no thrust. Engines fail, planes drop. Thousands of people would fall from the sky, all in those 5 seconds. Water is H2O. Take away the oxygen, and those bonds break. Water splits into hydrogen gas, which is extremely flammable. Now imagine the entire ocean doing that. Boom! Earth becomes a giant steam bath. And yes, probably a few explosions too. Even the Earth's crust contains oxygen. Without it, the chemical structure of rocks would rapidly shift. Could this trigger tectonic movements? Yes, mini earthquakes, very likely. Total geological chaos? Let's not test it. On the bright side, your ears would probably pop from the sudden pressure change. And cars with combustion engines, they'd all stop. So, traffic jam solved. Sorry, boss, oxygen disappeared. Best excuse ever. In 2011, physicist Luis Villazon explained that a 5-second disappearance of oxygen would cause massive structural and biological collapse. He called it the most dangerous 5 seconds in history. So, still think 5 seconds isn't a big deal. Next time you inhale, thank oxygen and hit that like button before it disappears too.
If you enjoyed this short science breakdown, support the channel by subscribing and leaving a comment. Your engagement helps us continue creating human-made content. Thank you for watching.